love you.
Hello, guys. If you're new here, you're welcome, and you're watching House of Love with no other person else but Bianca Love Aim. In here, we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So, if you feel like you want to belong to this family, you can just go ahead and strike on the red subscription button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always returning. You guys are just so amazing. So today on the menu, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to make achu and yellow soup. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have some chili peppers. We have a palm oil, about 1 cup of palm oil. We have fresh beef and frozen tripe, which is commonly known as towel. I had bought it and just prepare it at once with the stock and put in the freezer. And then we have our hide, commonly known as kanda. It's also cooked as well. And then some achu spices and some bicarbonate of sodium. So this bicarbonate is replacing what is commonly known as kanwa, limestone, or potash. It has the same component as limestone. Okay, so just adding some seasoning, salt, maggi, and then now I'm going to cover it for it to cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I had to check and stir, then add some water. So now I'm going to cover the pot to cook again for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I check and then I add my hide. The hide is already cooked, so I'm just adding it to spice it up. And I'm going to add some chili pepper as well. I'll cover it to cook for about maybe 5 minutes. And after that, I'm going to open the pot and add my tripe, my frozen tripe, together with the stock. This stock here is very important. This is what is going to spice up the achu soup. So now after about 5 minutes, I had to turn it off and take off my beef, and I'm going to put in the oven for it to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. I just like it like that baked. You can as well eat it like this, but I just like my beef baked. So at this stage, everything is well seasoned. Okay, so now I'm going to pour in my meat stock here for it to cool down a bit. And while while it's cooling down, I'm going to start with my cocoyams. So back in Cameroon, we don't usually peel the cocoyams. We just wash and boil like that. But with this Chinese kind of cocoyams, trust me, I needed to peel it because I ordered it from an online shop known as Pindondo, and it took about a while to get to me. So it's, as you can see, it's almost getting bad. I just had to manage it like that. So that's it. And back in Cameroon, we have a special kind of cocoyams that we use mixed with a special kind of banana known as achu banana and achu cocoyams. But here we just have to go with anything that can do. And so this is what I got, and this is what I'm going to use to prepare my achu. It's good, but not as good as compared to what we have back home. So now I'm going to put the cocoyams on fire for it to cook. And while cooking, I'm going to start with the preparation of my yellow soup. So I'm going to pour my stock into the blender together with my pepper, and I'll just add everything at once. So I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of some of my actual spices, and then I'm going to add in my palm oil. That's 1 cup of palm oil. Make sure you warm the palm oil a bit before using it. And now I'm going to add about half half a tablespoon of bicarbonate. I know some traditionalists will come here, hey, no, you don't put bicarbonate on achu, blah 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 blah. But we don't have limestone here, so we are going to go with bicarbonate. And trust me, it's as good as limestone. It's even better. What are you talking about? So I'm just going to blend everything together. That's it. A taste. And I think I needed to add a little amount of oil and a little amount of actual spice to make it heavenly. And that's it, guys. After this actual soup will be divine. It's going to be divine. Yep. And that's it, guys. Look at that soup. Look at that foamy texture. Oh my god. Anyway, let's keep it aside. So now my cocoyam almost got burned. Wow. Thank God. So I'm just going to prepare my atro now. And guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use blend, no juicer, not blender, juicer. This is quick and easy as compared to back home. You know what we use back home now? This is very easy to go with. And if you need this, you can just always inbox me and I'll give you the link. I'll tell you how to get it. So that's it. I'm just going to arrange my cocoyams for my achu. Okay. So I think I'm done with this. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to use a spatula to mix it up. So everything is well mixed. And now I'm going to arrange it for plundering. Yeah, I know that there are specialists in doing this stuff. So I'm not really good at that. Just bear with me. I'm just going to arrange it any way that I can. So this is how you arrange. You make sure there's a hole in the middle, a circle of a hole, where you can put your soup. So that's it, guys. Now I'm going to add in my soup. Oh my god, my mouth is so watery. I can't wait to have this. This achu soup is heavenly. It's divine. Of this achu soup, guys, take a look at this achu soup. Take a look at it. My god. In fact, see you guys in the next video. Let me go and plunder this stuff. See you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come and watch the quick and easiest way to make achu soup. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.